Hey there, can't find your Chase debit card for a moment? Freezing it instantly through the app prevents new purchases while you look, without the hassle of canceling and waiting for a new card. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to freeze it. Open the Chase mobile app, tap on your checking account, and find your debit card details. Look for the option to lock and unlock card, or freeze card. Tap it. Immediately, the card will be declined for new purchases, ATM withdrawals, and online transactions. Recurring bills already set up may still go through. When you find the card, simply toggle the lock off. My crucial pro tip: use this feature proactively for travel security. When you're not using your debit card, keep it locked in the app. Unlock it only when you need to use an ATM. This dramatically reduces the risk of skimming or fraudulent use if your card details are ever compromised. That's proactive control over your card's security, right from your phone. Have you ever had to freeze a card? Was it lost, or as a precaution? Share your story below. For more quick security tips, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.